Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and today I got something new for you. This is the HLModTech.com website. Now, it's been here for a while, but I took a moment to update it today. The things I want to show you, of course, there's what's new, where I've got the new things like my Tinkercad jet airliner, the Spring Bug, and the Code Block ship, which are fun. This is where I'm going to put new things that I create that I think are worthy of you guys checking out. I have also upgraded the Tinkercad page. So now when you visit Tinkercad, there are the Tinkercad 10, which are my favorite Tinkercad lessons to start out with, and I've added the Tinkercad designer shoutouts. So when you get to this page, I'm always going to have the designer of the week up here at the top, and then I've got a few of my favorites with links to check out their videos, and if you had a YouTube channel like Crasher Ox did, I will highlight that as well. And then finally, there is the All the Shoutouts playlist, so you can check out all the cool things that people have taken time to share with me. Of course, if you want to be someone that shares with me, I now have a new option where you can give me your name, your email, and then you can send me a share link for one of your Tinkercad projects. So maybe you could be the next Tinkercad designer that I showcase. If you've never shared a design before, let me show you the first step. I would always recommend duplicating the one that you want to share so you're not letting me in something that I could accidentally wreck if I adjust, move, or nudge it. So when you've got one that says a copy, then click send to, and when you scroll to the bottom of it, there is a invite people. When you generate that link and copy the link, you can then paste that back into the forum. Mine is going to be from me. Type in your Gmail. Of course, mine is HLModTech@gmail.com. I've shared that with you guys more than once. Notice it does pop an error if you don't give a real email. And check out my project. And then paste that link in, and I will be able to check out that cool project just like that. So there you have it, friends. That's how easy it is to create a share link and let me see the cool things you're creating. Once again, I want to say thank you to all the talented designers that have let me check out their work so far. It is so amazing seeing the cool techniques that are used, and it's fun for me because I'm able to turn around and use these with my students. Friends, of course, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.